So, let's see what's gonna happen today. Brought to you by Clean Place. I'm excited to see how it's going to help our situation here at home.
Ito ma'am, tapos na po siya ma'am. Ito yung...
Clean Place. We'll see kung mawawala yan. Alright. Wow! Ang ganda. May hope. May pag-asa yung mga mancha natin. Thank you. I'm very happy and actually very surprised here in my room to show you some of the parts here. So, like this. Yung ilalim nito, hindi nang natin alam, pero sobra palang alikabok. And yan talaga yung mga nasolusyonan nila or nalinis nila, na deep clean talaga nila. I also recommend this to moms, wives who actually don't have regular